early on with the A-10, there were quite a few problems. For example, the gases that were expelled by the gun stalled the engines, and then accuracy was always a problem. You were basically spraying a postcode because of the recoil. The aircraft's attitude couldn't be held. However, there were major improvements to the aircraft made, and in 1990 we have something called the Low Altitude Safety and Targeting Enhancement, and with that came EAC, which was the Enhanced Attitude Control, which later on then became PAC, which you may know if you, for example, are flying this aircraft in DCS. That is the Precision Attitude Control System. And what this does, it holds the aircraft's attitude while it's firing, it's trimming it out as well, and that maintains the accuracy of the gun without just spraying a whole area. You can really get a condensed cluster of rounds.
4-2 Jedi, good hit.